Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And today's video I will be doing a Temu haul, unboxing haul for you guys, because we got something from Temu. Wait, before this video stop, make sure that y'all give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to your good YouTube channel and comment down below right here right now. Yes, I am very excited about this video because this is my first time ever getting something from Temu, and the stuff that I got, I'm really looking forward to see how the actually look like and how the quality look like. And everybody, I think a lot of people did like a TikTok video about it, Instagram, YouTube. They say that it's another Wish and Shan mic, but I don't know. I really don't know. But I am really excited to see what. Oh, this is the package that TV. Y'all can click the link down below and y'all can get the same items as I got right here, and y'all can use 30% off. Y'all can use my code off 4587 for extra 30% off on your entire order, and for a new user too. Let's start unpackage this package. I'm so excited. We know how it is. Look at the package that Temu. It say Temu. It's so cute. Ooh, look! Whoa, this feels so soft. Look at this. It's, oh my god. And look, sleep. It's alive. I'm asleep. I'm up. I sleep. I'm up. Y'all, I have been seeing this pillow go around on Pinterest a lot, and I always wanted it in my room. I just don't know why. I just think it's so cute. And why I picked this out, because it go for the screen. It's so cute. Like, I am recreating my room, so this was one of the cores that I'll be using, and I can't wait. This is so cute. I'll take a put on my chair. Ooh, I might wait for my chair. It feels nice. Okay, I got this. I got this rainbow pillow. I think it's so cute. Oh. Notebook stand. You could use it as a notebook stand. Laptop stand. So I got this acre pickup laptop stand. And I got it in white, as y'all can see. But I don't know how to use this exactly. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Then we do this. Cute. You can use it for your iPad stand, your laptop, your notebook stand, which I think is cute. Where's my laptop? Let's see if it's strong enough. Let's see if it's strong enough. Whoa, it can hold it. Look at that, that's cute. That is so cute. Okay. Now, if I'm like with this, well, it's kind of, I would say kind of small. Wow, look at that, y'all. Wow, I'll be lying. I'm so happy with it, and very small too. Not that big, but it's really holding it though. Like this right here is very small. My laptop compared to this, yeah, but it's cute though. I like it. And baby, it's smooth right here too. I look. Oh, you can move it around. Cute. A desktop phone holder to see, and I want a desktop phone holder too. It would be so easy for me, and I guess you know. Wow, look at that. Also, the quality, it does feel like you don't want to break it though. Like you don't want to break it, but it does. The quality does feel very 100%. I like it a lot. That's not fun. It is. Oh my god, y'all! My desk and my room gonna come so well together. Look at that, y'all. That is so cute. I could easily make TikTok. I could easily take a picture. This is 100% cute. I freaking love it. Look at that. Easy. Easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. It's so easy. I love it. Then got some clothes. I saw this pink set on Temu. I was like, okay. Let me see how you feel. Let me see the quality of everything. I am testing out the, electronic, the stands where you can pick up your phone, the pillows, and the clothes. I want to try most stuff, but I probably get more stuff on Temu. But I never have a pink set. Look at it! Isn't this cute? Well, I got this sweatsuit, as you can see, and I think it's very cute. The inside fit very nice. Ooh. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I have some other colors to show y'all. I got another one. There's another one. I got this top, which I saw it. It was so cute. I like, yeah, definitely get him in this wood. Oh my god, look at this. Oh, y'all really can't tell what it is. I had to try it on for you guys. This is so cute. What the heck? I love the way. I love the. Look at that. Isn't that cute? Okay, yeah. I will try it on for you guys. I will. Yeah. This is the last item, and this is. Which I am so excited about. The tote bag. Y'all see everyone got this. Oh my god, this is so cute. I could hold like this. I'll be like in the business. Okay. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, they got a strip. Came with it, and the inside of it looks so good. Like it have everything that what you need. Like it's got a lot of stuff in here, a lot of storage in here for your purse. Ain't that cute? Yeah. Oh my god, y'all, this is so cute, and the quality of it feel really nice. It don't feel like really thin. It feel really nice, I would say. This is cute. I love it. Like I love with the outfit. Like, I had to say it to you. Yeah, y'all. Don't tell me this is not cute. Don't tell me this is not cute. This is cute. Okay. Love it. I'm so happy with what I got from Temu. What the heck? I love all the items. By the way, I found an amazing program to help you guys earn good income. Make your first $20,000 for free at Temu Affiliate Program. Up to $5 for every new user download refill, and up to 20% commission on your refill orders. Anyone can join. now. Y'all, it's very super easy to start right here, right now. I literally download Temu app right here, right now, and it's super easy to start. Literally. And you can earn up to $5,000 every month. Make sure that y'all download Temu app right here, right now, so y'all can get y'all money back. I love everything what I got for Temu. Love it, everything, the bag, the pill, the clothes. I freaking love it. I really love how it fit on me on the clothes. I love it. This really did shock me. It really did shock me. This I know what he did really shocked me, Temu. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Anyway, let me end this video right here, right now. I love the items that I got from Temu. And I can't wait to actually, take away my room with the items that I got from Temu and wear the clothes out and show everybody what I got. I'm like, oh, where you got that from? I got Temu. Yeah, I just want to say thank you, Temu, again for giving me all of this. I really do appreciate it a lot. Thank you. And don't forget to use my code OFF4587. It will be right here on the screen and it will be in the description down below. I would like to say thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you had a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya. Oh yeah, make sure that y'all comment what's your favorite item in this video, because I would like to know, and I would like to chit chat with y'all. So yeah, see ya.